Here we've got Samsung Galaxy M52 5G, and let me show you how to perform a virus scan on this device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select battery and device care, and here just click on device protection right here. Tap on turn on to scan your device, click on scan phone, and wait until it's performed. And that's it. As you can see, no threats detected, so this one is secure. And that would be all. This is how you can perform a virus scan. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.